This is the Nagra D. This is one of the finest digital audio recorders ever built, built by the Nagra Corporation. This particular model is the 24-bit version. It's quite rare. This is one of the last machines I think that they made. This machine's done something like 100 hours, so it's virtually a brand new machine. The machine is probably one of the finest examples of a Nagra D you'll ever find. It's unmarked completely. It was owned by Richmond Film Services, and it was one of their spare machines, and they actually never used it, so it was a backup machine. It was fully flight cased, and it came with all the cables. It's got some nice features about it. As you can hear, you can hardly hear the motor noise now with the lid shut. Obviously with it open, there's hardly any motor noise as well. I'm just going to press play and you'll see the machine going into action. It's got a rotating drum for the head. This is the backlight, okay, and it gives you lighting for the VUs and for the counter display.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
One thing you'll notice, it's got 4 VUs. This was something that Nagra decided, and when they going to build another recorder, was it's going to add 2 more tracks, mainly for film use, so that you could have extra microphones on actors and extra microphones on booms. One of the noticeable things about it is that it's completely made of metal. The whole case is made of metal. I also have an adapter which allows it to play 7-inch reels and gives you up to, I think, 4 hours recording time. Currently on a 5-inch spool you'll get 7-inch. If it's a 5-inch spool you'll get 2 hours recording time. The rewind facility is quite fast on this machine, bearing in mind that the tape is very, very thin, so you get a lot of tape on one spool. This is the mechanism. The transport is very, very smooth. That is now doing what we call a search. If I press stop and now press play, then press stop and then fast forward, it's now going to fast. Incredibly smooth operation. Has a monitoring section on the right here where on the headphones you can actually solo individual tracks on the headphones if you are doing a 4-track recording. So in effect it is like a 4-track multi-track if you're not using it as a 2-track. The only downside when you're using it in 4-track mode is you have to use it at 16-bit at 48 kilohertz or 44.1. Obviously at 24-bit it goes up to 96k, I believe, but you'll only use 2 tracks. I hope you like the Nagra D. Thank you for watching.